Canadians nailed the 2025 Unity, bringing comfort to the road. It's a 25-foot Sprinter Class B Plus with diesel motor and lane and brake helpers. Inside, 2 lounge seats replace the sofa and a Murphy bed flips down. It costs $265,000. Imagine if a cozy house and a spaceship had a kid. That's what the living vehicle feels like, but you don't need any special training to use it. It's basically a smart, comfy trailer that's packed with cool upgrades. Inside, the lounge flips into a queen bed, and the dining table can turn into a coffee table. You also get a big 42-inch 4K TV with shelves for your media stuff. There's even a huge sliding door that opens to a folding patio deck. Adria Twin Sports is built for year-round trips. The 180 horsepower automatic drives easily, and it seats and sleeps 4. You get a bed, an insulated pop top, and a seat. There's a fridge, bathroom, water tanks, propane, battery power, plus solar. Nuvo Pop is based on the Ram ProMaster chassis, powered by a 3.6-liter engine delivering 276 horsepower. The vehicle measures 20 feet 11 inches in length, 9 feet in height, and 8 feet in width. It kind of looks like the Tin Man lying down, but it's actually a travel trailer that really stands out. The Airstream Tradewind is built for off-grid trips with a huge heated lithium battery, rooftop solar, and a strong inverter, so you can run outlets, AC, and the microwave anywhere. The price for this van is $129,000. Here's a Spanish motorhome I'm into. The 2023 Rioja Luxury. Slide outs on both sides, open it up to about 807 square feet. Inside, you've got 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, plus a living room and kitchen, comfortable for 6. Next is the Halcyon Luxe from Canada's Fritz Tiny Homes. It has a roomy living area with closets. The kitchen uses concrete counters and lots of storage, and you can choose a tub or shower. This Land & Sea RV is a combination of a trailer and a boat. It is powered by 2 115 horsepower Suzuki motors with only 40 hours of use. A solar panel and onboard generator supply independent power, allowing for extended travel. The exterior and interior are both black, giving it a bold appearance. Inside, it is designed for travel with comfortable sleeping arrangements and a kitchen equipped for meal preparation. Tiffin 2025 Wayfarer, a 25 feet 8 inches Mercedes-based motorhome with 146 square feet inside and 130 cubic feet storage. It tows up to 5,000 pounds. You get 32-gallon fresh and gray tanks, 28 black, 12 propane, and 24 fuel. This luxury motorhome is basically a rolling mansion. It's 45 feet long, built on a Volvo truck chassis, and has a 600 horsepower diesel engine that can hit about 93 miles per hour. Inside, it's super high-end. There's a huge L-shaped sofa, a bar, wine storage, and a coffee maker. You also get a king bed with Italian linens, a dressing room, a rainfall shower, and a fancy kitchen.